Today for our daily sketch, I am going to demonstrate how to draw an eyeball. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to create a circle. Once you have the circle, you need to create an arch, like a rainbow. But it goes a little bit like this. Once we get these, then we're going to do the bottom part, and this time we're going to go about this far. So let's see how we do. At the beginning of your drawing, you always want to draw also softly, oh so softly. Right now I'm going to go ahead and start to create the tear duct. Right there, you see it? And then I'm going to erase these. And I am going to put in the eyelid. I'm going to go about this far. Okay. Okay, once you're confident about this, then you're going to create a line right here. And then you can go on and make these a little bit darker. And these down here also a little bit darker. And then clean up as you go. Very nice. Now we can go ahead and put in some eyelashes, just marking about where they would go. And like that. Once you're happy with those, you can bring in a little bit more in between. And then you can also put some on the bottom, kind of curve them out. When I do these, I don't go all the way over here. I just kind of like stop right here. And once again, I'm going to go over some of these to make them a little darker. And then I will have some lighter in between. Now it's time to start thinking about the actual eyeball. So I'm going to make a highlight mark right here. And then I am going to create the iris right here. And again, go nice and slow with your pencil. Making it really nice and round. And then this part is really super dark. So once you get it, then you're going to fill it in with the pencil, and we're going to make it really dark. Okay, once this is super dark, then we're going to go ahead and make this edge super dark also. Take your time, go slow. There you go. The following step is creating this right here, and you're gonna come in slowly. Don't shade too fast, okay? Right on the top, we're gonna do this a little darker. I'm gonna crisp this line and kind of blend it away, okay? Remembering that you have this highlight right here. And you're gonna start to let go the pressure to keep things lighter. You're blending away. There has to be a blendiness to this. Then I'm gonna go into like a diagonal right here. Right here, watch it. See? And very softly bringing this out. Very softly bringing this out. Okay. I'm gonna clean up my drawing a little bit, just making sure these lines are a little bit more defined. Then right here, I want to define this line a little bit more, just make it a little bit heavier. And then right here, I want to make this also a lot heavier. I'm going to make this a lot heavier, like if this person was wearing eyeliner or something. So nice and dark. A heavy line. You're going to make a heavy line. And that is how you make an eyeball. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to soften this a little bit more. And then right here is going to be just a little bit darker. And I want you to notice that I'm holding my pencil way back over here, okay? That does make a difference. And that is how you make a realistic eyeball.